All right, here we go. We got a new baking and cooling rack, and I'm going to show you why you need to pick these guys up. So we already have one from Quack over here that we have setting out. I do like this baking and cooling rack, and we wanted to just test out to see if they were any different on these others. So we both 10 by 15 and a 10 by 15. Let's go ahead and crack it open and see how it looks overall with regards to the units itself. We're going to get one washed off, and we're going to go ahead and get one used. So I don't know about you, but it's super important for us to make sure that we are letting this stuff cool, right? When you're making some banging cinnamon rolls, you got to make sure you have this stuff cool. So other brands and stuff you've seen, right? Not a big difference with regards to it. I do think this sets up just a little bit differently on it. So it is something that's definitely important. As we're looking at this, let's go ahead and see as we go to take these up. Again, it's one that we use multiple ones of these. We're able to set them out. You can leave them on the same heated pan, drop them on just like that, or oftentimes we'll go ahead and have a secondary one out so that we can go ahead and get it cooling off to the side without the heat being on. So super important. Really nice product, right? Does exactly what you need it to do. 10 by 15, stainless steel, food grade safe. Easy to clean off. You can put it right in the in the sink, wash it off really easily without any problems. These things are super sweet. You definitely got to check them out.